Hi Year 3, welcome to this week's weekly spelling video and our homophones words. Spelling 1 this week is plain. So there's two different types of plain. We can have plain paper like this. I used plain paper to create my picture. Spelling 2 is a different type of plain. You guessed it, it's the plane in the sky. Okay, I remember it as having that E on the end. And there's the sentence. I'm going on holiday on a fast aeroplane. Okay, spelling 3 is peace. And there's two types of peace we know in school. There's the peace where we would like people to stop fighting and put down their arms, and we pray for peace in God's world. The different type of peace though, isn't there? You guessed it, there's the piece of food, so a piece of pizza or a piece of cake. You all will get a piece of my birthday cake. Spelling 5 is our next homophone. Waste. Waste. So here we've got the type of waste where we throw things away. Please don't waste the resources. Look at all that waste on that picture. And the other type of waste is the waste on our body. My waist is getting larger. I wish it wasn't. Okay, so let's have a see. Quiz time. Which of this week's words are hiding behind my blocks? Is it waste? Is it peace? The other type of peace? Plain as in plain paper, or plain as in an aeroplane? Or the different type of waste around your body? Let's see. A little peep there. What do you think it is? Will the middle solve the riddle? Oh, it seems to be a lot of repeating itself. Very busy picture with lots of waste. You guessed it. That's the waste that we throw away. W-A-S-T-E. Okay, second one. Which of this week's words are hiding this time? There they are down the side. Let's see what disappears. A spoon. I'm not sure what it is. Will you get there before me? Bet you do. Oh, I think I know. Well done if you got it. That's right, it's a piece of cake. P-I-E-C-E. Great job if you got it. Question 3. Let's see which one's hiding this time. Don't forget, it's not just getting the right word, it's getting the right spelling. So if you want to pause the video at any time, please do so. Here we go, here's the clues. Not much giving away there. I know what it is. It's a plane, but which type of plane? Is it P-L-A-I-N or P-L-A-N-E? Well done if you said P-L-A-N-E. Question 4. Which word is hiding this time? Will you get there before me? Not many clues yet. Or will the middle solve the riddle? That is helpful, but what is that in the middle? Well done if you know that it is a dove of peace. A dove of peace. But which peace is it? P-E-A-C-E or P-I-E-C-E? It's P-E-A-C-E. Well done. Okay, number 5. Which one's next? Lots of tape measure. Measuring somebody's waist. Which waist is it? W-A-I-S-T or W-A-S-T-E? Great job if you said W-A-I-S-T-E. We're remembering it is the I. We measure ourselves, I. And spelling 6, our last one. Which one will it be? Waist piece or plain? And which spelling? Let's see the colours disappear. Do you know yet? Well done if you spotted the paper is plain. It is a plain piece of paper, but is it P-L-A-N-E or P-L-A-I-N? Don't forget to write it down. Well done if you put P-L-A-I-N. Great job, everyone. Hopefully you'll get a certificate this week. Keep practicing. See you next time.